We work primarily with non-human primates, mostly cynomolgus macaques. We also work with swine of every type, from your farm pigs down to your mini pigs. We work with canines, we work with multiple species of rodents, rabbits, and we're always interested and willing to look at other potential species of interest that may serve as a good model for new research projects. There are a lot of factors that go into choosing the right animal model for a research program or a specific project. Some of those relate to the size of the animal. For example, if you're working on a medical device, you might need a certain animal that has a structure or an organ that's similar in size to the human, so that the device is compatible from that perspective.
In testing a specific disease, there is a specific animal model that mimics the human situation. That's why we discuss this with the sponsor. The sponsor will come, I want to test like a stent, for example, which is a cardiovascular substrate devices in which we implant in the heart. And we know that there is a specific animal model that mimics the human situation when it comes to heart attack. Then we can now suggest the model to the sponsor to use, for example.
There are also a lot of physiological, variations or differences between different species that might make one species more feasible as a model for a certain type of program than another species. And that may have to do, for example, with the way the eye is structured if we're looking at an ocular study, or it may have to do with the functionality of the heart. And so depending on the type of research program, there's a lot of thought that goes into the right animal model for that system.